Hello, friendos. It is me, beedee, coming to you today with a little shop with me, big girl shopping, a little adulting 101, getting some things that I need. I don't necessarily want to buy, but like I need to get. And I'm gonna try to throw some like hygiene, self-care stuff in there as well. And I'm gonna be looking at prices. Okay, because the prices are not right. Okay, sorry, Bob, but they're not. So I'm gonna do that. I have a list of stuff that I want to get, so I want to make sure that I get what I need to get on the list. I'm gonna show you guys the list right now. Okay, so for my list, I have eyebrow pencils because I need some more eyebrow pencils. Some over the eye patches. I don't know if I'll be able to get those from Target. I might need to go to Ulta for those. Some under eye patches. I do get those from Target. I don't know if I even mentioned, but yeah, I'm going to Target and Ulta. Some bar soap, toothpaste, bar soap, razors, facial wash, fabric softener, laundry sanitizer, and detergent. So nothing too crazy. Just a few things, but here's the light. I'm trying to catch the light. I had it a second ago. But anyway, nothing too crazy. I have on a really like casual fit today. My Stussy shirt and some sweatpants. I'll try to get like some footage while I'm out, but it's super casual. Nothing. Some sneakers. My Syracuse Dunks. And let me show you guys what I was going to put on, but I don't have the right purse color for it. I'm weird like that. So yeah, let me show you the shoes that I was going to put on with this fit. To put on my chlorophyll Dunks, which I love because I have on blue pants. I wanted to wear these, but I don't have the right green bag. I was going to try to like finesse it. These are from Shein, by the way, but the color's not right. And then I was going to maybe do my what do you call these? Dang, that's crazy. Oh, green gloves. I was gonna maybe do my green gloves. I thought this purse would have went, but it doesn't. It's just a cute mint green, and that's like a sea foam. The color's not really showing up correctly on the camera. Hopefully I can fix that in post so you guys can really see the true color. But yeah, I went with my orange Dunks here. Ooh, grainy. Going with my Syracuse Dunks here. I love these. I love orange. So I'm going with those. And then these blue sweatpants that I got from the Gap. My Stussy great t-shirt. It also says Stussy on the back. I have these orange frames. I'm just using them as like an accessory. I'm not going to put them on. Then I have my initials. Goodness gracious. I have my initial necklaces on. Those are from Forever 21. My box braids that I did almost a month ago now, but they're holding up really well. And then I'm gonna go with this bag. I'm just gonna go with this bag since it has some orange accents in it. Anyway, all right, I'll see y'all when I get out. Okay, so I'm in Target and I showed you guys the list already. So far I have a few things in my cart, but not a lot of stuff. I have any of the gentle exfoliating Dove soap that I like. Soft soap items, 15% off. So that sucks. I'm gonna have to go to a different one, I guess, to find that. Because it's this one. But I wanted like a big pack. Like a pack like this. 12 or 8, but they don't have it. They have the Target brand, but I just stick to what I know. And I don't think I need. I want to try this one, but I don't like lavender. really don't like that price. Like, what? Oh, what is that? How bad is it, even though it's for kids? Raspberry oat milk. How's it smell? It smells really good. I use this as like bubble bath. Let's see what they have. It smells great in this aisle, but I don't know from what. Needs a warmer, so I'm gonna pick that up for her because she accidentally threw hers away. And I for sure thought that I was gonna try some of this new stuff from Febreze and Glade, but I didn't really like any of it. I did put it in, I think, a previous video, like a Target haul from earlier this year. Smell like nothing. Yeah, I don't know. What's this?
I've never touched it.
Back then you were. Don't play with it, don't be the shine. Still proud of the girl in the sliding. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna get it better.
I don't think I need any scent beads right now because I just bought some, so I'm gonna skip it. But I'll show y'all my favorite ones since I'm here. Okay, I do really love the cool cotton downy. My favorite is not even here. Oh, it's right here. It's the Refresh, and as you can see, they don't even have much in stock because it's literally goated. I love it, and I love this fabric softener, but I'm thinking of switching it up. I do also like the cool cotton one as well. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to get the cool cotton. It's only $10.99, baby. Wait, for how many? 105 loads. You gotta make sure you're getting only one. Let me scan it because I don't know. This is what I have in my cart so far. Nothing crazy. I think I'm gonna have to go to Ulta next. So let's go by the shoe section.
I should've known better. On the brain all the time. I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. You did something.
Okay, so I forgot to, this is day 2, and I forgot to like show what I actually picked up from Target, so I'm gonna just run through the essentials real quick. So I did get some detergent. I always get the Arm & Hammer with OxyClean. This is the one that I prefer in the fresh scent. Now, one thing that I noticed for a while, a couple of months ago, it was hard to actually find this on the shelves. And now I realize that's because they've brought it back. I'm sure the formulation is different because that always happens, much like with the Cetaphil like facial wash. Totally different now. Do not like it, but whatever. Rant over. But for this one, the ounces for this price used to be way more. I think it was like 160 something or something like that. I'll put a picture up on the screen if I can find like an old image. And now it's been dwindled down. Like the packaging is actually smaller than it used to be. And that's a bummer because the price is the same. So like, yeah, check your packaging. I always look at like ounces, stuff like that, trying to get the best bang for my buck or whatever. I like this detergent. I know it's not like the best on the market, but I've tried Gain and Tide, and I don't like either of those. So I do like this one, so I always just go back to this. But anyway, yeah, packaging is smaller, less product, higher or same price. So, you know, be sure that you're on the lookout, because that's very frustrating. I'm sure this has changed too. I normally don't get this much in my fabric softener, and I normally always get the Refresh Downy fabric softener, but I wanted to try something new, as I mentioned earlier, and this is Clean Breeze. I think these scents like go together well, so I'm looking forward to that. And it smells really good, so I got that. I also got some foil. I know, like, what, but I use foil a lot. I cook a lot, actually. If you are new to my channel, I do have a ton of cooking videos as well. I definitely want to get back into that. So if you want to see some more cooking videos, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will link some of my cooking videos in the description box. But yeah, I like the heavy duty. It's not really heavy duty, if I'm being honest, high key, but you know, it'll get the job done, I guess. So yeah, so I got that. I also got toothpaste. This was on the list. Actually, that and this was on my list, so I did manage to get, you know, some of the things that I actually went to Target for. This is my favorite toothpaste. It is the Arctic Fresh Crest 3D White. Keeps my teeth very white, but I also whiten my teeth with the Crest white strips twice a year, so that helps as well. And of course, I go to the dentist twice a year to get a normal like cleaning. Anywho, I also got some eyebrow pencils. This is what I'm currently using to fill in my brows, and I do like it. It's inexpensive. I think that was on the list too, so okay, you know what I'm saying? Okay. And then I did get my under eye hydrogel eye mask. They've changed the packaging. I hope they're still the same. I love these. I also like the cucumber over the eye patches from, I forget the brand, but I get them from, or the name of the brand, but I get them from Ulta. I like those too a lot. I feel like they do well for diminishing like the look of dark spots under the eyes. But anyway, these do a good job too to keep your under eyes moist if you suffer from bags or wrinkles. So I do like these. So I got 2 of those, and I think it's 3 in a pack. Yeah, 3 sets in a pack. So I got 2 of those, and then I just got some alcohol prep pads. I like to keep these on hand to clean off my phone or anything else that I just kind of want to like sterilize or just sanitize or whatever. So I got those, and then you saw me get the witch hazel and the plug-in, but I already gave that to my mom, so it's not here to show. But yeah, that was basically it, a little quick essentials trip. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,300, and I want to do a giveaway. I want to give away some of my Beedee Presents merch. I have some t-shirts. Definitely, if you are interested in the giveaway, let me know in the comments. I will put at the end of this video, I believe, like some clips of what the shirts look like. All you have to do for the giveaway is comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at beedeepresents. And I'm gonna keep this going. I want to do a giveaway like once a month if I can. Don't hold me, but I definitely want to do that. So I will keep this open for the remainder of the month of July. But yeah, thank you all so much for your support thus far. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. Be sure to say a prayer for yourself and others. Keep God first, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.